Hi guys, today I'll be introducing Makita Cordless Angle Grinder DGA700. You will need two 18 watts battery to start the machine. It is a 7-inch or 180 mm angle grinder and its weight is 6 kg. The ADT automatically changes the cutting speed according to load condition for optimum operation. The AFT shuts down the tools to protect the user if the rotation speed suddenly slows down. Of course, this is the brushless motor. That means no need to change the carbon brush. To place the disc, press the button and use the tools to open the nut. Turn anti-clockwise. And turning clockwise to tighten up the nut. Of course, you can adjust the grinder guard. Just open up the clamp and move it.